Hi, this is Laura Vergara, bartending schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a Mexican strawberry margarita. Well, what is a margarita? Basically tequila, triple sec, which is an orange flavored liqueur, and sour mix, which is a concentrated lemon lime. Okay? Well, we're going to do this one frozen because strawberry margaritas taste so much better when they're frozen. We're going to start off with a nice blender, about 2/3 of the way with your ice in there. Get a nice flavored tequila. Patron is a very popular one. It's one of the most popular ones out there right now. You want to go ahead and pour about 4 counts worth of tequila. We're also going to put some orange flavored liqueur, which is very similar to triple sec, but this is a higher end. Since you're using Patron, you might as well use the best stuff. So go ahead and pour about 2 counts in there. And add a little sour mix, which is that concentrated lemon lime stuff. Gives it a really good flavor to your margaritas. Then we're going to add some strawberry, because this is obviously a strawberry margarita. Now go ahead and use some of your strawberry mix. You can find this at any store. Right where you find all those mixers, strawberry daiquiri mix, that's where you'll get it. Okay? Want to go ahead and make sure you have enough ice in there. Put that on your blender. And top that off. Let's give that a good blend. If you hear that, you need to blend it some more. That sounds about right. But for your strawberry margarita, you can have the choice of rimming your glass with some sugar or not. But we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to put some strawberry crystal sugar around that. Go ahead and dip it in your salt and your sugar. I happen to have some strawberry candy sugar. And you want to go ahead and pour your strawberry margarita right in your glass. You can go ahead and garnish that with a nice strawberry that we have here. And there is your strawberry margarita. This is Loudon. Thank you for watching.